am Nisha teacher from Ashwamekh Vidyalaya. We have completed till chapter number 42. Today we are going to start with chapter number 43, Amazing Animals. Yes, the natural kingdom. Yes, there are many creatures in our earth which are very amazing and which are very different, right? So today we are going to learn about some more animals like this. So let's start. We have already learned about many animals before, but the count can never stop as there are countless different animals in the world and new ones are getting discovered time and again. Means we have learned about many animals before, but we can't stop, we can't say that this much new animal are there or this much new animals are there. There are many different kind of animals, and the other new animals are also being discovered, right? Let us get ourselves familiar with the few more interesting animals. So let us get more interacting about some few animals. Who am I? I prefer hunting at night. I can climb good heights. You can drive a car named after me. Yes, see, यहाँ से हमें एक क्लू मिलता है दैट हम इसके नाम से एक कार भी है एंड दैट इज जैगुआर. दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ द एनिमल जैगुआर. I am a barrel shaped mammal covered with natural armors. मीन्स यहाँ पे उसका जो आर्मर, उसका जो बॉडी रहता है वो उसका बहुत हार्ड रहता है एकदम. माई नेम इज स्पैनिश मीन्स लिटल आर्म वंस. Armadillo. Yes, this is the creature. It is barrel shaped and see, you can see it like a mouse only, but its cover is little bit hard. I am found in cold region. I have a tail like a horse, grunt like a pig and head like a cow. See, 3 animals का वो cocktail बन गया है. Horse, pig and cow. It is yak. I am a fastest and agile creature and can defeat even a venomous snake. I produce arm calls when danger approaches. Mongoose. These are the mongoose looking like a dog, and it is a very fast and creature, and it also इनकी और सांप की दुश्मनी होती है. इसको हम नेवला भी बोलते हैं. यस, सी, कैट की तरह थोड़े थोड़े दिखते हैं ये लोग, राइट? The next is, it is looking like a monkey only. A move very slowly and steadily. I have a good sense of smell but poor sight and hearing power. He is having a good sense of smell, but he can't see properly and he can't hear properly. The sloth. It is looking like a monkey. I am a mammal but little different than the other mammals. I do not give birth to young ones but lay eggs. It is Echidna. It is looking like a mammal but it does not produce a babies. It gives a egg. I am the largest antelope native to Asia. I am a herbivorous animal who can survive for long periods without water. It is नीलगाय. This is a cow. नीलगाय इसको बोलते हैं, लेकिन ये सबसे लार्जेस्ट एंटीलोप, एकदम देखो कितना वो जिराफ जैसा लंबा दिख रहा है ना. एशिया में ये बहुत रेयर एकदम एनिमल है. I look like a rat but have a spines on my body. My spines protect me from other animals. I stamp my feet to warn others when an enemy is approaching. Is porcupine. See, it is also looking, this and these are looking same. It is also creature like mouse. लेकिन सी ये कितने डिफरेंट है, राइट। एनिमल आर किल्ड फॉर देयर स्किन एंड अदर बॉडी पार्ट्स एट टाइम्स, दे आर ऑल्सो shooted as a hobby. Do you think this is correct? No, it is absolutely wrong because they are also living beings like us. We should never kill them. On September 22, 2016, in a rare incident, a 20 feet long python swelled in Nilgai in Junagadh district of Gujarat. See, वो खुद ही मर गए थे, है ना। कुछ एनिमल्स खुद ही मर जाते, कैसे हम उसे कुछ रॉन्ग खाने को दे देते हैं तब। Now we'll see the next one, the environment, mountain and the oceans. Yes, let's see, in which country is Mount Fuji located? Japan. In the Japan, Mount Fuji is located. The deepest spot on the surface of the earth of Mariana Trench is found below the ocean, the Pacific Ocean. See, how high is Mount Everest? The highest mountain in the world, Mount Everest, which is located in Himalayas. It is about 8,850 meters. Yes, which important chemical do all the ocean contain? Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is the chemical all the oceans are having. The mountain of Popocatépetl, which is an active volcano, is located in which country? Mexico. यहाँ पे जो है ये माउंटेन में अभी भी जो है वो लावा वॉल्केनो एक्टिव है, कभी भी निकल सकता है, वैसी सिचुएशन में वो है। In which ocean do we find a island of Sri Lanka? Indian Ocean. We find the island of Sri Lanka in Indian Ocean, which is below, which is about below our country, near the south areas, where a Mount Ararat, which is believed to be a resting place of Noah Ark, ईस्टर्न टर्की में ये नोहा आर्क है, माउंट यहाँ पे सी, ईस्टर्न टर्की। विच टू ओशन बॉर्डर द US स्टेट Alaska? The Arctic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. The Arctic Ocean और Pacific Ocean जो US स्टेट के आजू बाजू है। We all know that it is not easy to climb Mount Everest, but we also know that the achievers have done it time and again. Choose any one achievers and find out about his or her journey to the top of the Mount Everest. Share your research to the PowerPoint presentation in class. So we will not do this, we will write a short note on it in our notebooks, okay, and you have to also find about it. आपको पहले फाइंड करना है, मैं तो लिखूंगी लेकिन आपको पहले फाइंड करना है। द अटलांटिक ओशन, विच इज़ द वर्ल्ड सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट ओशन, वॉज द फर्स्ट ओशन टू बी क्रॉस्ड बाय एरोप्लेन ऑन एंड शिप। ये जो अटलांटिक ओशन है वो एक पहला ऐसा ओशन है जो सब सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट बड़ा है और उसको ओशन और शिप से भी क्रॉस किया जा सकता है। नाउ चैप्टर नंबर 45, आवर world renowned personalities. The world has been some glorious personalities in the past who have left great impact on us till date. Let us know a few about such people. Write the correct letter to know the name. Use the help box. Known as the Trump, he is the Charlie Chaplin. Yes, the famous, the cartoonist and the best comedian. Yes, he was not speaking, but his face, his everything was speaking. उसके मुंह के अलावा सब चीज़ें उसकी बोलती थी। This picture is of F, which is Shakespeare. He is a great poem, writer of the famous play Romeo and Juliet. Yes, and many other poems he has been written. He discovered the America. 3C. It is Columbus. He is a person who has discovered the America or given the name as America. पेंटर ऑफ द मोनालिसा का पेंटिंग इन्होंने किया था। लेट्स सी हू इज लियोनार्डो डा विंकी। हिज नेम इज लियोनार्डो डा विंकी। यहाँ पे ABCD लिखा है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उनका नाम ABCD है, उनका नाम यहाँ पे नीचे दिया गया है। He ended slavery in America and was known as the Honest Abe. A is Abraham Lincoln. Yes, he is also was a poet as well as writer. Creator of the characters Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck. OMG, our famous and our one of the favorite cartoons. Who has done this? G. It is Walt Disney. Yes, and today a Disney World is getting a very famous. Find out more about the following famous personality: Mother Teresa, Louise Braille, Margaret Thatcher. Discuss about, yes, we will discuss it in our notebook. We will write a short note on this famous personalities. The most popular comedy team in American film history was Laurel and Hardy. Yes, they were the most comedian personalities in the American. Okay, so kids, we will continue in our next lecture, and this looking back 4 is your today's homework. You have to solve this. Okay, and by this we complete our chapter in our book, and now we will do it in our notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe. Bye bye.